In this video, we'll go over how to assemble OE2. Step 1, add the hubs to the drive. These just push right in. Step 2, add the clamp to the frame. Step 3, add the drive to the frame. These go in with the point in first to make sure that it's oriented in that direction, and they just push right in. Step 4, add the jaws. Step 5, snap the cover on. Step 6, add the shield, line it up, and just simply push it in. Step 8, add the clamp. Step 9, add the smartphone clamp to the eyepiece clamp. Step 10, add this last thumb nut. And you're ready to go.